Yeah, so we're going to be reviewing that Carol's Daughter CoCo Cream today, starring yours truly, Taste. So let's get right into it. So we're going to wet the hair, right? And then I'm going to lather it up. Dang, I just stumbled over that word like that. I'm going to lather it up, and this part, I usually just comb my hair with shampoo already in it. Some people don't. They say break out your hair. It doesn't for mine. Different strokes by different folks. Yeah, so I'm going to shampoo it twice. So this is actually my second time shampooing it. No, I'm lying. This is my first time because look at that nap in the back. And look at this chat. Ain't nobody tell her to be jumping in my. Why you not recording? Get back. I'm over her. I am through. Look. Anywho, that was halftime right there. So as you can see, I'm combing. Gotta get the naps out. So once I do all of that, I'm gonna rinse the shampoo out. It smells so good. Now I'm gonna condition it. Just a dot, not a lot. All right. Dang. Anyway. So I like Carol's Daughter because it just brings my natural curl pattern back. And when I put the conditioner in, I'm just, comb a little bit of kinks out. And yes, rinse it right on out. This stuff smells so good, guys. Like, I've been using Carol's Daughter for years. And she's from Brooklyn. And it's a black-owned business, so I'm talking about, I would say probably 8+ years. And this is the finish with nothing in it right now. Just to show you guys what it looks like after I finish washing it. You see how my curl pattern just came back? Yes. Booyah! Ew! Yes. Yes, now I'm going to style it real quick and show you guys the finished product. Now this is just a simple wash and go, and I laid my edges. Shout out to my son for being so cute, and shout out to you guys for sharing, subscribing to my channel. Bye.